Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Alex. Happy birthday to you.
This is my family. We're loud, very loud. We're Nicaraguan, but most importantly, we're there for each other. For all of us to be here. My grandparents had to go through an amazing journey to get here. At 15 going on 16, Mailito went with his father's video camera and his twin brother to the jungle, basically his backyard, to show people the Contra Sandinista War. He found mines left for guerrilla warriors and flash bombs left in a village. Mailita, on the other hand, dealt with unruly soldiers basically all her life and the unrest felt within the capital from the war. Both made it out of Nicaragua at just 17, fleeing to San Francisco and starting their lives here. Then at 19, they both found each other and started my family. I'm Alessandra Bird, and this is my family's journey home.